A boater's day can go from bad to worse in a heartbeat. And when that happens, chaos unfolds. From failed launches to boaters falling out of their own boats. These are times when boaters had the worst day ever.
Disclaimer. This compilation showcases real events as they occurred. While some scenes may be intense, all individuals involved are safe. Viewer discretion is advised.
Make sure to like and subscribe. That was a nasty fall. I sure hope she doesn't hurt something. If people are dragging you out of the water with ropes without success, you know you have to change something about your diet. He underestimated how heavy that package was and embarrassed himself on camera. It might look silly, but he could have hurt himself badly from this maneuver. If lack of coordination had an incident to represent it, this would be it. What's worse than being seasick on a boat? Getting a cyclone warning while you're still on it. I hope they have some sunscreen on, because that sun is scorching hot.
This is fun.
That laughter is definitely caused by fear, because this wind would make anyone feel anxious. If your boat breaks down in the middle of the journey, sometimes the only option is to swim back to shore.
It's a great little journey. Yeah, we get a good little swim back to shore, mate. Doesn't sound healthy.
You either wait for the tide to come in or call for a tow, as this engine will likely suffer some damage from the mud.
No! No! Oh, this is so... She can't get out. She's stuck in the mud. Oh my god. Look at that dog. Oh. She's like... Oh.
She couldn't make it across the dock and ended up pulling him down with her. There are certain types of people who aren't built for boating life, and situations like this prove it. They were thrown from the boat, and the captain should have known better than to speed in such windy conditions.
Hi, my love.
Some people need emotional support during an episode of seasickness. Santa might have had one too many, but he handled that fall very gracefully. He learned a valuable lesson about weight distribution that day.
Me dá aquela raia aí, ó. O senhor tomou de arraia, ele falou. Olha aí.
Eu não preciso de ninguém pra fazer merda comigo.
That's a very smart kid, putting a bucket next to him to avoid making a mess. Even through an episode of seasickness, she managed to smile and keep her spirits up. They're definitely getting seasick from this experience. These guys have clearly never heard of saltines and peanut butter, the best remedy for seasickness. If you know you can't handle the sea, why spend hundreds of euros just to make yourself miserable? Ferries and storms are a disaster waiting to happen. They probably feel like they're in hell right now, and for good reason. This boat is way too small for a storm like this, and the passengers are definitely gonna feel pretty rocky after the ride. Those waves are definitely bigger than 2 feet, and this boat is way too small to handle them. If he hadn't rushed her, she might have nailed the jump. Instead, it turned into blooper material. He dropped his phone in the ocean. On the bright side, now he can enjoy the scenery to the fullest. A 56km/h drop in the water is a very painful experience, and it's gonna hurt for a long time. That was personal, and he should have seen it coming from miles away. This is the face of a man holding on for his dear life, yet he shows no signs of fear. If this experience doesn't bond them, I don't know what will. Just because you can't see the rain doesn't mean you can't feel its impact from inside the catamaran. Being in this situation without any life jackets nearby is definitely something that needs to be investigated. Liking the video so far? Well, make sure to like and subscribe. Some people have to pay a heavy price before reaching their heavenly destination. Sometimes that price comes in the form of seasickness. You can see in his eyes that he's looking for comfort, and she should have put the phone down and sat beside him. That is a great idea on battling seasickness. I hope she wins this battle, because it looks like she's exhausted. At least he has support from his friend, which helps in a lot of situations like this. Judging by the number of people holding that umbrella, that was a very strong tornado. Three hours as someone suffering from seasickness is the perfect recipe for a disastrous boating experience. Heavy rain in the middle of a boating trip is difficult to handle, and they're doing an amazing job. That's as scary as it gets when it comes to a horror-filled boating day. People puking left and right shows just how bumpy and terrifying the ride was. That weather definitely made their experience worse, and I'm sure they'll check twice before getting on the boat next time. He's bracing with both feet, which shows how tightly he's locked into his seat. Borderline, this is an experience they won't forget for a very long time.
Open that compartment up.
What a perfect day to use the bilge pump and get all that water out of the boat.
No good.
I hope they caught a big fish, because otherwise this entire experience wasn't worth it.
Well, old captain here didn't have us in the best drift. Got some braid in the...
This is why it's so important to keep the fishing pole away from the engine.
We can't run the motor, and it's foggy. Nobody can see us. I got it. Whew. That could have been bad.
The boat's position suggests something is wrong, and he can't load it like this. A raging sea can wash away all your luggage in an instant, which is why a captain's experience matters so much. If you have a family event planned for tomorrow, make sure you drink responsibly the night before. So many people on the boat are seasick, and you won't know until the sea brings out the worst in you. With the lights out, this looks like a scene straight from an apocalypse. One man with an oar against the wind seems like an unfair battle, but at least they'll have some fun. That's what happens when you keep your phone too close to the fishing pole while trying to get the perfect shot. The way the other guy reacted to his friend falling off the boat tells me this has happened more than once. If you beach a boat in downtown, it means you might not be cut out for boating life.
On the beach, this is the Licking River. This is Don Haskell. And this is the old flood wall. You can see the historic brickwork. We pulled up, we dropped anchor right here. We're enjoying a nice beach front. This is Covington Beach.
When the water is crowded, things like this can happen, and it separates experienced captains from inexperienced ones. At such speeds, your phone needs to be secured in your pocket. Otherwise, it could fly out of the boat. He saw the cooler fly off and still continued at the same speed, which was a clear act of negligence. If your lashes become a problem on the boat, make sure to remove them before you hurt your eyes. His body language suggests he's under the influence, and he shouldn't attempt moves like this at all. I admire his bravery for doing this as an amputee, but it definitely made for a hilarious moment. Nothing screams embarrassment louder than this.
Okay, here we go. Come on, jump, please. I got it.
Mike, you gotta get her. She's gonna drown.
I got her. I got this. Oh, this is great.
Yeah. Told you. Did I nail it or what?
Mike, you gotta get her.
You gotta get her. She's gonna drown.
I cannot believe we got that, dude. I cannot wait to go back and watch this.
It's gonna be great. You gotta send it to her.
That chick was hanging.
I nailed it, didn't I? Holy crap.
I jumped so hard for your man, like,
I sent him to save your life. These bees are everywhere, KK.
What's up, dude?
We're both allergic.
Yeah, dude. I mean, I don't know what's up with the bees.
I don't know.
I know both of y'all are. It's freaking me out.
I mean, I just threw the empty stuff away. Oh, that might be it. All the beer.
I just got saved by the jock flavor.
You don't expect to end up stranded on an island while boating, but in Zantes, anything is possible. The captain should have known better than to lead them in the sandbars and put them at risk. That's what happens when you try to climb onto a boat using an unsecured ladder. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
I'm not trying to encourage it.
Yeah.
But like, you put your gimme, bro. You could clip that. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Alright.
I don't want you.
On the dot side,
Alright. I got this.
He didn't trust her to pull it off, so we grabbed the stick and took control of the situation. The captain tried to help, but he only made things more embarrassing for both himself and the girl. One thing is certain, this was money badly spent, and they'll never try it again.
Not any more than I have to. Apologize, man.
Officers can have a bad boating day too, can't they?
Bring it back over, guys, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get this back over. Yeah, I got you. I got you. Hang on, man. Just grab to the side of the gunnel. Yeah. Don't grab it. There you go. Hop right on here, but you'll easy. Here, just grab my feet. I don't want to. I just want to keep the belt. Absolutely. Oh man, I'm sorry. Alright.
All that pressure caused the hole in the boat to get worse, and that was the only outcome expected. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe.